Dana, another beautiful day, a little chillier than yesterday, but just gorgeous out there.
It's nice that we get like yesterday and today really nice days because the rest of the week is
It's more what we're used to.
Yes. You know, April showers, we can't have nice days every day, unfortunately. But yeah, today ended up being another awesome day out there. A couple of high cirrus clouds this afternoon, but other than that, most of us seeing plenty of sunshine out there throughout the day. And it ended up being on the warm side too. Not quite as warm as we saw yesterday, but still a really great day overall. But things are going to be changing. So as we get into Wednesday, we're going to have a dying warm front approaching our areas. That means we're going to see some increase in cloud cover as well as some showers throughout the day there. But that's not going to be our largest system. In fact, it's going to be a bit of a precursor to another system here, which is going to be much larger and it's going to bring us more rain. Now Thursday, we're going to kind of see some of those more scattered showers transition to heavier rainfall. And then Friday is when we're going to see the heaviest rain as well as that southerly flow, which could cause a bit of an issue there on Friday. So I'll kind of break that down here. So overnight tonight, a couple more high cirrus clouds move in, but still overall a mostly clear night. And then tomorrow morning is where we start to bring in some more of that cloud cover. I think areas in eastern Maine will start out the day okay, but we're going to see some more cloud cover build in from west to east Wednesday morning. And with that comes the showers associated with that warm front. So they're going to be scattered throughout the day. So it's not going to be raining all day on Wednesday, but it's still going to end up not being the greatest day out there with those kind of light rain showers throughout the day. Relatively light because the warm front is battling some drier air as it moves in. And then Thursday, we're going to see some of that heavier rain move in the afternoon. So it'll be cloudy in the morning with some areas of patchy drizzle. And then as that front moves through Thursday afternoon, that's where we're going to see kind of our first bout of that heavier, consistent rain, starting in western Maine and moving through the state Thursday afternoon into the early evening hours. And then Thursday overnight, we kind of transition again to that more scattered rain showers overnight there. And then Friday, we get into that warm sector, and that's when we start to see our heaviest rain come through here. And so it's going to be pretty warm, temps in the upper 50s to lower 60s. So we're not worried at all about precipitation type here. It's going to be a rain event, but we are worried with the possibility of some flooding because we're seeing so much snow melt kind of with those higher temperatures ahead of this system, as well as that heavy rainfall throughout the day. So as this system continues to move throughout the day there, Friday is definitely going to be the day where we see both the heaviest rain and those highest wind speeds. And then on the back end of this system, it will leave us with some scattered rain showers on Saturday. But overall, I think the weekend looks pretty good. Sunday, though, would be the better of the two weekend days as high pressure moves back in briefly. So on Friday, I think wind gusts at their peak are going to be Friday afternoon, about 40 to 45 miles per hour. So I think we could have some scattered power outages throughout the day there and still breezy on Saturday, but less windy than Friday. So I don't think it's going to be a lot of power outages, but I do want to mention that there could be some there. Rain forecast sees 1 to 2 feet, water at 42 degrees there. So I think for the impacts of flooding here, we do have some of that snow melt along with that heavy rain on Friday. So we're going to keep monitoring that situation as it develops there, as well as some high tides, especially near the high tide cycle along the coastline, which may cause some flooding there. So overall, Brian and Amanda, not a great week that we have coming up here. So it was nice that we got to see the sunshine yesterday and today, but the weekend looks pretty good too. So I think it'll be all right.
Turn around.
Yeah, that'll be great. Thank you, Dana.